Hello everyone. Now I'm going to start the assignment from problem number 1, that is cantilever wire element part. Okay, we'll go to the part manager, we'll go to the then create, we'll go to the 2D planner for this deformable cell element. Not the cell element. Cancel. Yes, create 2D planner deformable wire element. Continue. Dismiss. Skip. Take the dimension. For our case, the dimension is given 2 meter. So 2. Okay. Select entity. Okay. Okay. Now we'll go to the second part, that is property part. Give the property general density 7850 given in our question. Go to the elasticity part. Elasticity in our question, the given property for the elasticity is 210 to the power 9 and Poisson's ratio at 0.3. Okay, this means we'll go with the section manager, create beam element, continue property, cross section property, rectangular, continue. Here we can see A is the width and B is the depth, so we'll give the width is 0.15 and depth is 0.25, which is provided in our question. Go back. Now we'll assign the property. Turn. Okay. Here we'll assign one more thing, that is beam section orientation. This one done. Okay. Now we'll go with the assembly part. Creating assembly indent. Okay. Now we'll go with the step part. Will create a dynamic explicit, which is the static analysis. Okay. Dismiss. Here we will provide, if we want to find the reaction and displacement at a particular point, then we have to define that point. For example, we want to find the reaction at the reaction will act at the support. Done. Similarly, we'll define the displacement part. Continue. Here the load is acting, so the displacement will be here. Done. Now we'll define the history output for the reaction. Continue. Here we will take the set reaction. Here we will find the reactions RF2. This one, right? Okay. Again for the displacement. Continue. That whole model. Set displacement, maximum displacement acting will be U2 in the vertical y direction. U2. Okay. Now our work is done. Now we'll go finally with the loading part. Loading part. Loading, create, since it is concentrated load acting at node this one. Done. It's the smooth step. Okay, at 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, amplitude 1 in the vertical y direction, which is of -10. Magnitude, amplitude is okay. We can see it's acting in the downward direction. Now dismiss will provide the boundary condition, create symmetrical elasticity since it is fixed. Not, yeah, this one done, fixed. Okay, dismiss. Now loading part is also over. Now we'll go with the mesh. Go to the path, seed edges, select the material by size 0.2. We're just taking as a example 0.2. We can take it 0.5, 0.3 also. We'll put OK. The nodes have been created. Now we'll go with the mesh. Yes, finally the meshing is done. So now we'll go with the job part. We'll create the job. Cantilever wire element. Continue. Okay, now we'll analyze. Submit. Okay. Now our analysis is done. Now we'll see our results. The results is U2. The maximum displacement is 6.9 10 to the power -7 meter. And if we see by the Timoshenko beam theory, taken it here, we can see by the Timoshenko beam theory, this is the formula. And yeah, our dimensions provided is as follows: length 2 meter, width, depth, and manually while calculating we are getting is this, and from the software 6.8 10 to the minus, almost we're getting it the same. So now we are going with the plot graph part. Create XY data, ODB history output. Okay, we have to go with the reaction at 2 at the support. Save as is reaction. Okay, here we are getting as the reaction. Now displacement, save as is displacement. Okay, dismiss. Now we are going to operate on XY data. Okay, we'll combine this both. Combine. We'll combine this both. Combine. Reaction, add to expression, comma, minus of displacement. Why we have taken here the minus? Since because here the displacement we are getting in the opposite direction, but our displacement will start from this position, so we are taking it minus. Now we'll plot. We can see it here. The force versus displacement graph we have taken is the smooth step, so the graph is gradually increasing. If we want to see the value, then we have to go to the query, probe value. We have to click the mouse here. We can get the value x, which is the force, and y, which is the displacement, which we are getting as the same. Okay, cancel, no. Okay, so here I am stopping the video. Here I have done the analysis of question number 1, cantilever wire element. Okay, thank you.